morning. I had an unexpectedly good stroke of fortune and landed this fishing charter. About to shove off here in a few minutes, about 7:30 in the morning. I am pumped. What's up? There's the jetty I usually fish at. Oh yeah, look at that. Got a meeting of the minds already. What do we got here? Ooh, yeah. Yep. Good start. Oh. That is just magical. Yeah, there's more porpoises over there. Hey, hey! There we go. Oh man! Oh, that is just awesome. All right, we're anchoring on the other side of the jetty. It's like. There we go. Abby. Ooh, that one's a fighter.
Bring it up slowly, bring it up slowly. Bring it up slowly. Hold on. He's getting tired, he's making his life hard. Reel down.
Damn! Damn! Look at that!
Look at that! First big one, huh? First big one ever. How do you like that?
Amber. Look at that thing. So we're measuring this thing.
43 and a half at least.
Wow.
43.
43.
That's a beast. That's a beast.
We're not as tighter.
Yeah. Right. Fish on!
Go.
Yeah, buddy. What a monster. Cool, thanks. All right, this is huge. Up.
There you go.
Son of a bitch.
Got the net? All right. Yeah, you got it
Hold
right.
up and then reel down. Stop, hold up.
Don't jerk. Reel down that. Reel now. There it is. Got color.
Bring him up. There you go, baby.
There you go. Black drum.
Yeah,
Water.
bitch!
Keep his head in the water. Keep his head in the water.
Okay.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah! Look at this!
There you go.
Woo! Black drum, my friend. Oh, yes. Look
You can
at
press that hook out of there so it don't hurt nobody.
Okay.
You are keeping him, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stringer number 20.
Okay. Just caught that bad boy. Man. It's been a productive day. I mean, the last hour, you know, caught that hard head and then that black drum. That just made the whole thing worth it right there. I mean, wow. See, we caught trout here, spadefish, caught a bunch of those last year. Redfish. And mine, the black drum.